Voxxlife isn't just a business. It's a growing network of passionate people committed to drug-free wellness through products that change people's lives.
When you join us at Voxxlife, you're not just getting the opportunity to sell great products, you're getting support, training, and tools to help you succeed and grow with us, like access to our wholesale pricing, your own replicated website, Voxxlife marketing collateral, access to Voxxlife videos, back office support to help you manage your business, and opportunities to attend Voxxlife training and social events to help you network within the company.
Plus, you'll get a Voxxlife decal and pen and a pair of sample socks so you can experience the Voxxlife difference too.
We want to make sure you get off on the right foot when you decide to join Voxxlife. That's why we've introduced the Voxxlife Launch Kit, an easy-to-sell collection of product that's cost-effective and risk-free.
For only $200, you get a pre-selected collection of best-selling Voxxlife products with a retail value of $380. Now, this kit is only available at sign-up, so don't miss your chance to get on the action and start your business off right.